Forget soggy gnocchi, today we're taking it to the next level. Crispy, golden, bursting with flavour. This air fryer gnocchi with Italian herbs and Parmesan is ridiculously easy, it's insanely delicious and ready in minutes. If you've never tried gnocchi like this before, you're in for a real treat. They are lovely and crispy on the outside and perfectly soft on the inside. They make a perfect snack, starter or side. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Now I've got to tell you this up front. Imogen, my daughter, some of you will know if you've watched the channel before, she has asked me to make these. She's seen these somewhere, I think it might have been TikTok or a YouTube short, and said, Dad, can you recreate these? So I thought, why not? I'll do it today and I'll share it with you guys. It's a really, really quick recipe. What you're going to need is some of these. So you can buy these at any supermarket. These are from Sainsbury's, and these are your fresh gnocchi. Just lovely potato gnocchi. And we're going to put these straight into our bowl. There we go, all in. To that, a little bit of olive oil. Don't need too much, just enough to make sure that our seasoning adheres to them. So that's probably about half a tablespoon. I'm going to add some Italian mixed herbs, give them a good sprinkling, and I get them nicely seasoned. That's it. And to that Parmesan cheese, I've got about 3 tablespoons there, and just get your hand in and mix it all in. And that's it, now into the air fryer. Give them a good shake round, 180 for 14 minutes. And these are done. Listen to this. Oh, yes. So there we have it, crunchy air fryer gnocchi. Let's give one a go. Pick that one there. Puts a smile on my face. They are perfectly crunchy, soft in the middle, like a little pillow. They're like little miniature roast potatoes. I mean, who'd have thought gnocchi could taste so good? And so easy to do. Great little snack. I could snack on those probably all afternoon. They are absolutely delicious. And you don't have to use the Parmesan and mixed herbs that I used today. Probably be really nice with some smoked paprika mixed in with the oil. Change up the cheeses. Whatever tickles your fancy. The most important thing is these little fellas are absolutely wonderful. Really, really good. Guys, I really appreciate you tuning in and watching through to the very, very end. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below. Please do like, share, and comment. It really does help the channel with the algorithm. It would be very much appreciated from me. If you've got something you'd like me to cook, please also do let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to cook it for you. I'll put all of the details of today's air fryer gnocchi down below in the description as always. Short one for you today, but all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.